Today I will make a smoked duck tartare, and for this recipe I will use nice duck breasts. When choosing your meat for tartare, make sure you ask a butcher you trust. Duck breast is a red meat similar from beef with a good meaty flavor which will be perfect for this recipe. So enough talking and let's cook this! First, cut the breast in strip and make sure you remove all the silver skin from it. You really don't want to chew on that. Then remove the fat from the meat and save the fat. It's perfect to cook your morning potatoes. Then julienne the strip very thin and make small cubes. Some people use a meat grinder, but I don't like the texture of it. I like to have a good bite to chew on. Always keep your meat cold, especially for the next step. I use apple wood in my Kamado Joe to smoke the duck. Make sure there's no heat so the meat stays raw and doesn't cook. Make it smoke for about an hour. You can replace the duck with beef. The filet mignon is by far your best cut of beef for tartare, as it's the most tender cut of beef and contains just the right amount of fat for flavor. Other good cut of beef would be top of round, top sirloin, and eye of round. The smoking part is optional, but I strongly suggest that you try it at least once in your life. When you do any type of tartare, make sure all of your ingredients are fresh since nothing will be cooked.
Chives, basil, pickles, pickles, French salad. Oh, let's put Chives,
Sun-dried tomato, Permigianno Reggiano, olive oil, and wholegrain mustard. Alright, so let's taste this now. There's so much flavor in this, and they all go so well together. The smoky duck, the savory and salty flavor that goes all around your mouth, it's incredible. The big question is, how do we pair a wine with this? This tartare is packed with flavor, so of course we don't want to go with a light wine, but we don't want to overpower it with a bold red also. So my choice of grapes for this would be a Syrah, because we want to pick on the smoky and herby notes in this, and this is something you can find in a lot of Syrah. So my choice for today is Les Vignes d'À from Northen Rhone in France, and this region is known to be the land of the French Syrah. So let's taste this.
wow!
This is a nice, very dark red color, very dense. And on the nose, I can smell some smoky note, blackberries, herbs. And on the palate, I can taste dry cranberries, black fruits, herby notes, smoky notes, and this wine has a medium level of alcohol, soft tannin, a nice fresh acidity, and a nice medium finish. This wine is very pleasant to drink. This dish and this pairing end up better than I thought that it could be. So I strongly suggest that you try this at home. And if you don't have this particular kind of wine at your wine store, don't worry, just ask for a nice Syrah for Northen Rhone, and I'm sure it will be as good as this one. I hope you liked this episode. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment what you think. Hit the like button, subscribe is free. See you next week, and until then, cheers!